This is your Tuesday night forecast update. I'm Chief Meteorologist Nicholas Ferreri. We're continuing to look ahead to our Wednesday forecast and the potential for some strong and severe thunderstorms. Now, we could see some storms scattered through as early as the morning. However, those are not likely to be as strong or as potentially damaging as what we could see late in the day. Our strongest storms are most likely to come through between 9 in the evening on our Wednesday through 3 in the morning on Thursday. Let's talk about this hour by hour, looking at Futurecast. As we continue through our Tuesday night here, just know that things are quiet. None of this severe weather is nearby threatening us at all. We're just seeing the clouds gradually increase and our temperatures are falling out of the 40s and into the 30s. We get to the morning, you can see some rounds of rain and thunderstorms scattering into the region, so don't be surprised if you get some heavy downpours in the morning. You hear some thunder, see some lightning. It will be out there in some parts of northeast Indiana and northwest Ohio. Lunchtime temperatures ranging from the low 40s to the north to the 60s down to the south. We are getting a push of warmer air into the region tomorrow, and it's going to send temperatures up to around 70 in Fort Wayne and a lot of surrounding spots, although pretty much always staying a little bit cooler to the north. But this above average air, when a cold front comes through later in the day, at night into Thursday, that runs into all this, and we're going to see thunderstorms just blossom across the area. And again, that window for the strongest storms starts at 9. And watch, Futurecast between 9 and midnight just fills up with returns of rain, and we're talking heavy rain and strong storms. Then between midnight and 3 in the morning, that heavy storm activity starts to move off to the east. Temperatures still on the warm side in the low 60s. 8 in the morning, we're in the 50s. And then Thursday, overall, a pretty quiet day. The active weather has wound down, but we're still not completely in the clear. There could be some rain that shows up, especially later in the day, but none of that would be anything strong. And we're not worried about a severe weather potential there. However, any additional rain we pick up could increase flooding concerns around the area. And with this round of storms throughout our Wednesday, we could see some really heavy downpours that bring some areas more than an inch of new rainfall. It's going to be a windy day too. Top wind gusts during the day, even when thunderstorms aren't around, will be between 40 to 50 miles per hour. When the thunderstorms track through, we're talking about 60 plus miles per hour, maybe even 70 plus miles per hour. 70 degrees our Wednesday high, Thursday 63. Friday, a dry day for the Tin Caps home opener at Parkview Field, but it's going to be a cool night out there. 56 is our high. We'll be a few degrees lower than that at the first pitch. Saturday 54, some rain around. Sunday 48, a couple more days in the 40s on Monday and Tuesday before we return to the 50s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's your latest forecast.